A lot of people think that, having that beautiful smile they've always desired is, it's too far off. It's unattainable. It's not something that they're ever going to be able to have, but in reality, they can have it, and they can have it right here. By using crowns or veneers, we're able to remove some of that old stain or straighten up some of your rotations and cover it with a beautiful glass or ceramic that not only, looks like a natural tooth, but behaves and functions like a natural tooth. A lot of people think that, doing crowns or veneers is a really difficult thing, or it might take a lot of time, but really they could be missing out on how easy and straightforward it really is. Too many people are missing out. They feel like they can't smile. They feel like they have to cover up, or they can't take pictures. They just don't have the confidence, but they can. Here at Fleming Dental Co., we can go over your options and get you that smile that you've always wanted.